Hello everybody, welcome to the Two Levels Up channel. Today we'll be looking at the FTSE 100 shares performance review for week 11 of 2021. Today is the 20th, 03/2021. The information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Under no circumstances should the information outlaid before you be deemed, interpreted, or acted upon as financial or investing recommendations. By watching our videos, it means you fully understand plus accept our terms and conditions. You are also agreeing to the fact that you're fully capable of making your own sound and critical analysis of the information provided. The chart in front of you is a FTSE 100 futures contract. This is a 24 hours market. These bars here represent 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. This is the price action on Friday as the market come to a close of last week. From our last video, we told you that the bias was the market was bullish and we should always trade with the bias, the majority of the bias, which is a bullish. The market closed off at this level at 4:30. This is the after hours price action, which pushed the price up and created a resistance line or resistance zone, whichever you prefer, around this high. The price tries to pull back, okay, during the morning sessions of the Monday 15th, the 3rd of 2021. The price discounts, as it's a futures market, to meet with a cash market and pushes below here, taking out any stops of those that are trading long in the after hours market. The market rebounds here and pushes back up, pulls back, tries to go up, fails, pulls back, tries to push up again, and last final momentum pushes up here into Tuesday. As you can see, the volume is falling, therefore it gives you in advance warning telling you that the market is struggling to go above the Friday night's high. From this price action, you could easily have placed your shots on these levels, okay? As the prices retracts and pushes back up, falls back again, pushes back up, but fails to reach that resistance zone, it falls off its own weight because the bulls are now tired of the price action. They're tired of the price action and they're unable to push this up. Either they've decided to step out the way and let the market fall on its own weight. As the market pulls back to the high set on Friday daytime, it finds support and tries to pull back up. The market then reverses, then pulls back and pushes for the third and final attempt to break the resistance line or the highs set by Friday. So we go 1, 2, 3. On the collapse of the third attempt, the price breaches the Friday's high, goes lower to the level where the buying entered the market on Monday. So this created a minimum support level for the price during this week. The major support line was set at these low levels. As the price rebounded, it tested it again, rallied again to the top, but this time, as you can see, it's lower than that high and it failed to reach these high levels. The price collapses on Thursday evening of 18th 3/2021. I was trading the S&P 500 at this time of the night and I saw this price action happen. I took some shorts on the S&P 500 and made £306 of that trade. The price rebounded overnight, then falls again early hours in the morning on Friday. Then you get these big massive price bars pumping action as the prices collapse once again due to the anticipation of the US job figures for the week. According to the newspapers' reports, the market fell due to people's concern of inflation. Well, all traders and investors know there's going to be inflation due to the amount of stimulus of money that's been pumped to the system. The prices rebounds at this low and closes at about 720 for the night. The overall price action of the FTSE 100 was to the downside, concluding in the FTSE 100 finishing at 0.78% lower. It was not easy week to trade, okay, as the price ranges from that high to that high and that high to that high are not a lot. But either way, as a professional trader, you must take your positions and stay strong and steady and steadily believe your strategy. So we go forward and look at the shares which are created last week, and I thought it would be good trades to take this week. This week I took trades in 23 companies. Out the 23 companies I took trades on, or I placed my buy orders or sell orders, only 5 did not activate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The rest of these trades activated based on my money management and risk management levels. I took profits on these ones, the ones I've closed, and the ones I've no, this side I've not closed anything. Based on my performance from last week, okay, I made £706 profit. The ones that activated but not closed, so I'm saying they're active, they're still open in the market now. The reason why I have not closed them was based on my analysis of the charts. Is I'm in the right frame of thinking or mind in that the market should continue this week going up. If the market falls and I'm either stopped out or I believe that each of these individual charts is not acting in accordance to my expectations, then I'm going to close the trades manually myself. But like I said, the FTSE 100 closed with 0.78%. That's not a big loss, okay? It is a pause as the market tries to assess how to move forward. The following shares from last week, analysis or homework, we decided these were good for shorting. Okay, on the right move, it was a good trade at the beginning of the week, and I made money on it. But by the end of the week, it finished at 1.1% higher than the close of Friday. Okay, that is why I closed and took my profit. On these 2 trades, I'm basically still active in those trades. I'm still active in there, even though we've had a 4.4% increase in valuation in comparison to Friday. The charts of these 2 stocks tell me that the momentum is still to the downside. This is why I am still actively short in this trade, and I'm still active in this trade. If the situation changes this week, then again I will manually exit the trades unless I get stopped out. Thank you for watching and have a good weekend. Please keep a lookout for my week 12 shares which I've identified are going to be good for trading on the long side or the short side. As usual, subscribe and like our channel, and thank you for your support.